Now we discuss a problem. The first four moment of a distribution about a fixed point 5 of a random variable x be minus 1.8, 18, minus 33 and 105. Find beta 1 and beta 2 and also discuss the nature of distributions. And second question is moment about origin and find first three moment about origin. Okay, so question is first four moment of a distribution about a fixed point 5 of a random variable x is given by minus 1.8 comma 18 comma minus 33 comma 105. Find first question is find beta 1 and beta 2 and also discuss the nature of distribution. Second question is nature about origin, moments about origin. Find first three moments about origin. Solutions. We already discussed mu k dash be the moment about a fixed point A. Let mu k dash be the moment about a fixed point A, where mu k dash equal to expectation of x minus a whole to the power k running from 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. We already discussed in mu k dash be the moment about a fixed point A, where mu k dash equal to expectation of x minus a whole to the power k running from 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. In our problem here a equal to 5. Okay, so here mu k dash equal to expectation of x minus 5 whole to the power k. Okay, given that first four moment is mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash. So given that first four moment is mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash equal to minus 18. Mu 1 dash means expectation of when k equal to 1, so expectation of x minus 5 equal to minus 1.8. Mu 2 dash means expectation of x minus 5 whole square equal to 18. Mu 3 dash means expectation of x minus 5 whole cube equal to minus 33. Mu 4 dash is expectation of x minus 5 whole to the power 4 equal to 105. Okay, so given these are given. Mu 1 dash equal to first moment. First four moment means first four moment about a fixed point 5. So first four moment is mu 1 dash equal to minus 1.8. Mu 2 dash equal to 18. Mu 3 dash equal to minus 33. Mu 4 dash equal to 105. Okay, we already discussed the relation between moment about a fixed point and central moment is. Here question is beta 1, find beta 1 and beta 2. So formula of beta 1 and beta 2 is, here question is find beta 1 and beta 2. So formula of beta 1 and beta 2 be beta 1 equal to mu, we already discussed beta 1 equal to mu 3 square by mu 2 cube and beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. We already discussed beta 1 equal to mu 3 square by mu 2 cube and beta 2 equal to mu 4 by sigma to the power 4. Sigma to the power 4 means sigma square equal to mu 2, so mu 2 square. Okay, so beta 1 equal to mu 3 square by mu 2 cube and beta 2 equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. So first we find mu 3 mu2 and mu4, where mu k is the central moment. We already discussed the relation between central moment and moment about a fixed point be given by, we already discussed. So first we find mu3, mu2, mu4, where mu k be the central moment. So we know this now. The relation between moment, about a fixed point and central moment the relation between moment about a fixed point and central moment. So moment about fixed point, the relation between central moment and moment about fixed point is given by mu1 equal to 0, mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square, mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu1 dash mu2 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube, mu4 equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 into mu2 dash mu1 dash whole square minus 3 mu1 dash whole to the power 4, and so on. So already discussed this is a relation between So relation between moment about a fixed point and central moment. Mu1 equal to 0, mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square, mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu1 dash into mu2 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube, mu4 equal to mu4 dash minus 4 into mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 into mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 into mu1 dash whole to the power 4, where mu2 is the central moment of order 2, mu3 is the central moment of order 3, mu4 is the central moment of order 4. Okay, so first we find mu3, mu2 and mu4. So first this equation v1, let us denote this 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so from 1 mu2 equal to mu2 dash means 18 minus mu1 dash square means minus 1.8 whole square, after calculation this is 14.76. okay, mu3 equal to mu3 dash means minus 33 minus 3 into mu1 dash is minus 1.8 3 into minus 1.8, mu2 dash is 18 plus 2 into mu1 dash whole cube, mu1 dash means minus 1.8 plus 2 into minus 1.8 whole cube. Clear? So after calculation this is 52.536. Okay, and mu4 is mu4 dash means 105. So 105 minus 4 into mu3 dash means minus 33. Okay, mu1 dash means minus 1.8 minus 1.8 plus 6 mu 2 dash 6 into mu 2 dash means 18 mu 1 dash whole square means minus 1.8 whole square minus 1.8 whole square minus 3 into mu 1 dash whole to the power 4 mu 1 dash means minus 1.8 so minus 1.8 whole to the power 4 okay so after calculation mu 4 equal to 185.8272 okay so question is beta 1 find beta 1 beta 2 beta 1 formula beta 1 is mu 2 square formula beta 1 is mu 3 square by mu 2 cube and formula beta 2 is mu 4 by mu 2 square so first we find mu 3 mu 2 and mu 4 so formula of mu 2 is in terms of moment about any fixed point is mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square mu 3 equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash whole cube and mu 4 equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 into mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 into mu 1 dash whole to the power 4 so after putting the value into mu 1 dash mu 2 dash mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash we get mu 2 mu 3 and mu 4 okay so hence we get mu 2 equal to 14.76 mu 3 equal to 52.536 and mu 4 equal to 185.8272 okay so now first one is beta 1 now beta 1 is mu 3 square by mu 2 cube mu 3 square by mu 2 cube okay mu 3 square by mu 2 cube so mu 3 square means this 52.536 whole square by mu 2 means 14.76 cube okay so after calculation we get 0.8583 and beta 2 equal to mu to the power 4 by sigma to the power 4 mu to the power beta 2 equal to mu 4 by sigma to the power 4 mu 4 by sigma 4 means we already discussed sigma square equal to mu 2 so mu 2 square okay so mu 4 is value of mu 4 is 185.8272 by mu 2 means 14.76 square after calculation we get 0.85298 okay since beta 1 not equal to 0 and beta 1 greater than 0 this value greater than 0 then the distribution is positively skewed we already discussed if beta 1 greater than 0 then the distribution is positively skewed that means this curve is not symmetry then the distribution is positively skewed okay if since beta 2 less than 3 since this value always less than 3 since beta 2 less than 3 then the distribution is plateautic is platycotic. Okay, we already discussed if beta 2 equal to 3, then the distribution curve is mesocotic. If beta 2 greater than 3, then the distribution curve is leptocotic. If beta 2 less than 3, then the distribution curve is platycotic. Here beta 2 less than 3, so the distribution is platycotic. Clear? So this is nature. So first part is done. Discuss the nature. So this is nature. Distribution positive is skewed, then distribution platycotic. Okay. Second question. Find first three moment about origin. Second question is find first three moment about origin. We already discussed what is the moment about origin. If alpha k be the moment about origin, then alpha k is expectation of x to the power k. Okay, where k is 0, 1, 2, 3 dot. So alpha k be the moment about origin, where alpha k equal to expectation of x to the power k, where k is 0, 1, 2, 3 dot. So first three moment means we find alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. Means we find alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Means alpha 1 means expectation of x, alpha 2 means expectation of x square, alpha 3 means expectation of x cube. Okay. So question is find first three moments about origin. So first three moments means alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha 1 means expectation of x, alpha 2 equal to expectation of x square, alpha 3 equal to expectation of x cube. Okay, so given that expectation of x minus 5 equal to minus 1.8. Okay, so given that from this expectation of x minus 5 equal to minus 1.8. Clear? Since expectation satisfies linear property, so expectation of x minus expectation of constant is also constant, equal to minus 1.8. So expectation of x equal to minus 1.8 plus 5. So after calculation this is 3.2. So we calculate alpha 1. So this is alpha 1. Okay, this is the first moment. Second, given that expectation of x minus 5 whole square equal to 18. So given that expectation of x minus 5 whole square equal to 18. Expectation of x minus 5 whole square means x square minus 10x plus 25 equal to 18. Clear? So expectation satisfies linear property. So expectation of x square minus 10 into expectation of x plus 25, expectation of constant means constant, this is 85. So expectation of x is 3.2. So expectation of x square equal to 18 minus 25 minus plus 10 into expectation of x means 3.2. Okay, so after calculation we get expectation of x square equal to, implies expectation of x square equal to 25. Okay, so 18 minus 25, 18 minus this 25 plus 10 into expectation of x means 3.2. So after calculation expectation of x square equal to 25. Okay, and given that expectation of x minus 5 whole cube equal to minus 33. So given that expectation of x minus 5 whole cube equal to minus 33. Okay, this, so minus 33. So expectation of x minus 5 whole cube means x cube minus 3x square into 5 plus 3x into 5, 3x square into 5 plus 3x into 5 square minus 5 cube equal to minus 33. Okay, so expectation satisfy linear property. So expectation of x cube minus 3 into 5 means 15, expectation of x square minus plus this is 3 into 25 means 75, 75 expectation of x minus expectation of 5 cube means expectation of constant, so 125 equal to minus 33. Okay, you already calculated expectation of x square and expectation of x. So the value of expectation of x is 3.2 and expectation of x square is 25. So putting this value, so putting the expectation of x cube minus 15 into expectation is 25 plus 75 into expectation of x means 3.2 minus 125 equal to minus 33. So after calculation we get expectation of x cube equal to 227. Okay, so find first three moments. So we already calculated expectation of x. First three moments is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha 1 means expectation of x, alpha 2 means expectation of x square, alpha 3 means expectation of x cube. So hence find first three moments. So hence first moment means x equal to 3.2, expectation of x square equal to 25 and expectation of x cube equal to 227. Okay, this is the required result. Clear?